Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a great Saturday here. I wanted to give you guys just a quick update about what's going on with the markets and the news. The news, not so much has been happening, to be honest. Trump Kamala stuff still going along smoothly here. The election's coming up, but not much else. As far as Bitcoin's price action is concerned, I am a little bit more concerned about it for the next few hours. However, as long as we don't have like a 1,000 to 2,000 point drop today, like through today's daily candle, I think there's actually a chance for us to try to go back up a little bit higher here, maybe back above $64,000, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. I want you guys to really prioritize looking on the daily chart right now, the 4 hour chart, and the 12 hour chart. That's where you're seeing momentum get a little bit more choppy if you look at all those. And although we are looking a little bit more bearish in the short term here, the fact that we haven't had a full capitulation yet as far as the daily charts are concerned shows me that there's still a lot of buyers out there that want to buy up Bitcoin and they want to see us move a little bit further. Now, if you guys are going to try to go along this route, I'm always just saying wait for the big move to happen. And by that, I mean, like, wait for MACD, stochastic, RSIs to all kind of point you in the right direction. I'm probably not going to go long or short until I kind of see all of that going probably up, right? I'm probably not going to be doing that just yet. Now, it is Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday. Should probably be a little bit of a calmer day. Should be. But once Monday comes around, the markets open back up in the United States, Tokyo, all that good stuff. I think that's when you're probably going to see a little bit of a larger push here. So I think you guys have about a cool 24 to 48 hours to really figure out what you guys want to do. And you guys could take some time to really enjoy watching those 4 hour charts, those 12 hour charts, and those daily charts. So that's kind of the gist of what I'm looking for today. I was looking for some altcoins for you guys to trade, and normally it's going to be like the WIFs and the bonks. I might take another peek here at the AI tokens if I were you guys. They seem like they've cooled off a lot because, again, over the past few weeks, they did have a really big boom, but they came down very, very fast, and they're leveling out just a little bit better than Bitcoin here. So I would say particularly things like Fetch AI, and the other one was well, what was it, guys? RLC. I don't know if you guys like RLC or not, but Fetch AI is something most of you guys like. There are some opportunities for breakouts if the 4 hour charts realign with Bitcoin. So this will probably happen sometime later tonight, like late tonight or tomorrow. And I think that's going to be the play if you guys want to see a little bit more of an oomph from a leverage position. So I'd rather trade Fetch with 5x leverage than Bitcoin with 10x leverage, basically, right now. Save some money on fees, don't have to worry about it, and of course, you guys can make some more money there. I told you guys I opened up that trade a few days ago with Bitcoin, expecting it to go up. I just want to confirm that that trade is gone. I've sold it. It hit the price target and it sold. Made a quick 20%, and that was absolutely amazing. I always like opening some trades up with you guys and seeing you guys make some profit along with me. But I just want to make sure you guys understand that trade is now done. I'm not hoping for something larger. The 4 hour chart started to show, started to get a little bit more bearish. And, when I see that, I just don't feel the need to be in a trade much more than that. Now, I know I'm kind of going all over the place here, guys, but there is probably one more thing I want to talk to you guys about, and that's going to be Israel and Hamas and Lebanon and Iran. Kind of a shit show over there. You guys already know that. I don't think Israel is doing anything just yet against Iran. Our tension's a little bit hotter. Yes, that's definitely the case, but we haven't seen anything imminent happening, like Israel's gonna go into Iran or something like that. So that's kind of the wild card for right now, and I don't. Again, it goes into the back of the head. I'm thinking about it. Anything could happen, and I think that's a decent enough reason at this point in time to have those stop losses that we talk about. Sometimes you don't even need stop losses if you're kind of confident which way the market's moving. But if we're having disasters happen, it just makes more sense to have those type of safety nets, especially like what happens in Israel and Iran, all good stuff or bad stuff. It typically happens when we're sleeping. So why would you want to wake up and see your position down like a couple 100% when you don't have to? Take the loss, recalibrate, you'll be fine. And sometimes world news events just kind of mess you up. There is going to be some economic data coming out, but we'll talk about that Monday because I will be back Monday to stream with you guys. But yeah, just want to give you guys my quick thoughts. It looks like we might do a dip and rip type of effect, so I'm kind of keeping a close eye on that. Until we actually start to level off on the daily chart, though, that rip is not going to be as prominent. So you might be dollar cost averaging a dip, hoping for a rip to come later on this week. And I think that's kind of the play here. unless, again, over the next 24 hours, basically, you see Bitcoin make a drastic move down of about over $1,000. That's when I'd be concerned, but you guys wouldn't buy before that because the 4-hour chart wouldn't show you to buy right there, if that makes sense. So see you guys a little bit later, and thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it.